first and sees the farthest, reaches first and reaches the fastest, and most importantly, has the unique ability to hit first and hit the hardest. We are the Indian Air Force, the defenders of our nation's skies, an air power beyond boundaries, showcasing our prowess, whether over the mighty Himalayas or over the vast Indian Ocean region. With our technologically superior assets and with the innate ability of our network-centric integrated air command and control system, we protect and secure India's skies 24/7. The IACCS is a countrywide and a networked air defense system which takes inputs from the IAF feeder sensors along with those from Indian Army, Indian Navy and civilian radars. We in the IAF understand the importance of self-reliance in defense production. We collaborate extensively with our PSUs, private industry and academia to strive for Atmanirbharta. Last year, IAF had inducted the indigenous light combat helicopter Prachand, while it also signed a contract for the HTT-40 trainer aircraft. Leading from the front and extending support to our PSUs, the Chief of the Air Staff himself flew the LCA series production trainer. The trials of the extended range version of the air-launched BrahMos also proved to be successful. The IAF recently inducted the C-295 transport aircraft. We recently conducted the Bharat Drone Shakti, a one-of-its-kind live demonstration of various drones manufactured by the Indian defense ecosystem. The IAF also supports the local drone industry through its Meher Baba Swarm Drone competition, further enabling the government's Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik scheme. IAF has opened up its 39 airfields as joint user airfields, enabling regional connectivity to the remotest part of the country. In the year gone by, the IAF has undertaken many novel initiatives on its steady path of transformation. Tests of a new heavy drop system with integrated combat parachute were carried out by our aircraft. The capability of the Indian aerospace ecosystem was on display to the world during this year's edition of the Aero India. Indian Rafales took to the skies during Bastille Day in France, with the IAF marching contingent being led by a woman officer. The year